Hey, what's up, guys? My name's John. Welcome to Daily Theology. The party of insanity continues to party. Check this out.
The kinds of investment that will stimulate...
Let's watch it again.
The kinds of investment...
He takes the mask down to cough into his hand.
Jimmy is saying it. You may hear him. Down goes Frazier! Down goes Frazier! Down goes...
And let's keep in mind he's at a press conference and presumably no one around him, and he's talking through a mask wearing sunglasses. Now, I don't know if he's outside, but either way, this is a terrible display of common sense.
I wear my sunglasses at night so I can keep track of the visions in my eyes.
And yet another reason to reject the media narrative that he can lead the country. He can't. You should vote Trump because Trump has common sense. Trump is not a messiah. Trump is not righteous before God. I don't think he understands the gospel. Maybe he does, but he has not shown evidence of that. What I'm saying is ultimate freedom, ultimate truth lies in the work of Jesus Christ. Fully God, fully man, born infinite wrath on the cross, died and rose on the third day. That's where to put your confidence. Con fide, with faith, with trust in Jesus Christ, the reigning King of Kings and conquering Lamb, the Lion of the tribe of Judah. Today is the day of salvation. Remember to hammer that like button, like mask sales, and I will see you tomorrow. God bless.